Popongi mānea tātou katoa toa, I te iara, ka api tātou I tētai au kupu kuki airani, no runga I te au kai, e te au vai, e tānganga na tātou, e kai ana tātou. Ko papa kotou, te akamata ni tātou. Good morning, class. What a beautiful day to learn Cook Island Māori words for types of food and drinks. Are you ready? Let's start. Vai means water. Vai, water. Aitikirimu means ice cream. Aitikirimu, ice cream. Pitete means potato. Pitete, potato. Raiti means rice. Raiti, rice. Oniani means onion. Oniani, onion. Tuna means tuna. Tuna, tuna. Punua mamwe means lamb. Punua mamwe, lamb. Puaka means pork. Puaka, pork. Raore means lollies. Raore, lollies. Kaupe means coffee. Kaupe, coffee. Well done. Good listening. We'll see you again tomorrow.